Do you know that for just 8.5 million Gambian dollars, you could own this house centered right here in Brufut Ghana Town, close to highways and all the other amenities that you may have in mind? Have you ever wondered how thousands of years ago in Egypt, thousands of workers moved giant stones from one place to another, and this is how they were able to build super amazing things that will be remembered all the way to the 21st century. Today, the only difference is that the process of building amazing structures is much more faster and much more easier. Now let's dive into this house, and trust me guys, this is not one of the regular homes you just see on the highway or anywhere around the city. This is a true investment piece. It comes with a story building foundation that gives you the ability or the opportunity to expand anytime later and anyhow. This is one of our exclusive high quality structures that comes with all your present day needs, and this is very amazing guys. And trust me, this home is basically a mansion, you guys. If you have ever dreamed of owning a home that combines beauty and value, this is a very amazing piece of real estate, and it is centered right in the heart of Ghana Town. Now let's take a closer look at what makes this property amazing and the smartest in town. The first thing I like to talk about is the location. Brufut Ghana Town is one of the fastest developing areas in town right now, and it is really amazing. It's close to the beach, and you have the main highway, and then there is another highway behind the house. Like you have access to almost everything. The only noise around the area, I believe, is the people talking about this property. Like, the area is very quiet, very comfortable, very accessible. Everything about the location is really perfect, and anybody who knows Brufut or Ghana Town, you know that the area is really good. Now let's step inside. Like, when you get into this house, the first thing you notice is the spacious layout. Like, you can park up to 4 cars. The outside is really amazing. It's something that I like so much about the house. Another amazing thing is that it's a 3-bedroom house with 4 toilets, so all the bedrooms comes with their own toilets. Really amazing. You have nothing to worry about. Every single bedroom comes with its own privacy. There is a very spacious kitchen on the inside, and then there is a dining right next to the kitchen. Basically, it's like a kitchen on the inside. The kitchen comes with a dining area, very spacious kitchen, nice layout. And then you have the boys' quarters on the outside with its own toilet and extra space on the outside that you can use as a kitchen or as a store. It depends on what you really want. On the outside, there is not only a boys' quarters with its own toilet, but it also comes with 2 extra gardens. There is a borehole. It's very spacious on the outside. The amazing thing is that on the outside, where we have the 2 gardens, you can always them one garden and transform it into a pool or any other thing you want to construct there. So it's really amazing, and it's a huge advantage. And then you have your borehole, so availability of water is always constant. There is much more you can do with this house than just living there. And the most amazing thing about the house, like I mentioned, it comes with a story building foundation. You can adjust this compound anytime, anyhow, with the price set at 8.5 million, and we are open to negotiating the price with anybody who is serious enough to come out and see this house. Just call us at any time, and we will make arrangements for you to see the house. Just think about it. You are buying a home with gardens, boreholes, outdoor kitchen, boys' quarters, and a story building foundation. At that price is really great. Modern design, interior is good, exterior is good, location, everything is perfect. And you can always contact us. Even if not this one, we have many amazing houses that you may like to see or ask questions about. Your trusted partner in real estate, and this is Pilot City. We represent Gambia real estate. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because we will be uploading videos frequently. And if you have anything in mind that you will want us to talk about or you want us to explore, just make sure to put that in the comment section. With that being said, see you on the next video.